Hey you guys, welcome back. So today I am inside of the 99-cent store, and the first thing that I just saw, which I think is super cool, I love tetherball. Here is a tetherball kit for $5.99. Courage Kids includes 2 metal poles, 2 rackets, and 1 ball. Yeah, we didn't play tetherball with a racket, but that is kind of cool. Oh, this is cute. A rocket ride-on or ride-in floaty seat. Toy Story 4, and this is $3.99. They also have Minnie Mouse. Oh, this is super cute. It's just off to the side, but I thought I'd show you. It's a hair clip, and it looks like a butterfly. Look at that. It has a little claw, you know, for the claw part. For your hair. I can't think of the word for that, but this one is purple. I see this pretty like crystal white one, and look at that blue one. Those are really cute. Here's a Star Wars doll. I'm almost tempted to go through and show you guys a lot of the toys because they have a bunch of toys right now. This is $4.99 for her. They have these Miffy's Adventures, big and small. This is so adorable. For $1.99. You have her back there with the little dog. Look at him or her with the little tricycle, and it says only at Walmart. And then this one with the little garden, vegetable garden and stuff. These are so cute. Disney Elena of Avalor game for $4.99. Get that 3-in-1 alphabet jewelry making kit for $4.99. The Grocery Gang, $7.99. And this cute little charm minis for $3.99. Okay, you guys, I literally just showed you guys this from Rainbow in my last haul, and I paid $3.99 for this. Look at that, and they're here now for 99¢. I only see the purple ones, and then what are these? Look at that. A spa headband with some big eyes. That's cute. I see orange and a pink one. Okay, what is this right here? Spa headband bow. Oh, okay. This one has a bow. So that's a giant bow in the front. And these are all 99¢. Those are funny though. Oh, they got a lot of youth hats. Look at that. Superman. Maybe I'll get that for Pooh Bear. He needs a new hat. And they have Batman. Look at that. How much are they? They are $2.99, but that's still kind of cool. What is this? A Nintendo DS organizer. And it is, oh, that's what the inside looks like. And it is, I believe, 99¢. There's no different label on it, and these are cute. Look at that. Super Mario wallets for $1.99. Here you have some copper grilling and baking mats, so you can use these on the grill or in the oven. Set of 2, and these are $2.99. Oh, look at this. You get a 5-piece straw set for $2.49, and it already comes with the little thing that you use to clean the straws. So that's pretty cool, and these are silicone. And then I saw these 4-piece placemats for $2.99. I see that kind of beige color. This one is like a black and gray, and then I see a lighter color up here that looks like it's kind of has like some blue to it. It looks bluish gray. I'm not sure what this is, but it says Just Pop It Snack Maker for $5.99. Easy turn handle, operates dual stir mixing system. Okay. Makes flavored popcorn, dessert and treats, pudding, mac and cheese, fruit salad. Wow. I'm interested in this, but let's see. So do you have to just stand there and keep spinning it? I think so. I don't know, but it is $5.99. It's an as seen on TV product. Okay, the last time I was here, I showed you guys those cute trays for the tables. They still have a few of them. I see these cute hooks. That one looks like it fell apart though, so that fell off. Okay. But then you have some of these, the cute little butterflies, and that set for $2.99. What is this? Oh, this is cute too. That's $3.99. And just put some pictures on there. Oh, look at this oven mitt. This is BPA free. It's kind of like silicone on the outside part, but then it has fabric on the inside, and it's $2.99. That's cool. I've never seen one like that. They have different patterns. Oh, they have a Little People Megamat for $3.99. I like that. It comes with the card, the 2 cones, and the little mat, like a map that they can play on. Look at this, a Game of Thrones character. Okay, for $1.99, and they have a lot of Warcraft stuff. Oh, look at her, Beauty and the Beast for $3.99. That's kind of cool. Oh, look at this, copper 2-tier corner shelf, and it's $3.49. Really, really nice. I like that. And then they also have this, a pantry shelf, and the pantry shelves are $3.49. And those are the only 2 items I see like that. Okay, here's some of their bowls. They always have some cute bowls. Look at this. Okay, you have these like this for $2.99. I was thinking it was gonna say 99¢, but I also see it in pink. Then you got these bowls. The inside has colors. These are $1.99. I see green, orange, and blue. Okay, what is this right here? Framed, 4-piece framed wall mirror. Oh, look. So you get that. They look like that, or you can change the shapes like that over there, or that. So it's basically a circle, but you can move the pieces wherever you like. That's not bad. This is $4.99. And then here you have this cute arrow, and it has hooks for you to hang stuff on, and that is $3.99. Oh, look, they have a smaller version of these. Wow, $2.49. No comment. They do have square ones back there too. Those are really pretty. And then I just saw these cute little dishes down here that I've never seen, and they are owls, and that one looks like that. They also have white, pink, and green. Okay, over here I see these bowls. These are different. Look at that. That's cool. $2.99 for that. And I see that pretty peach or pink color, this green, blue. I love this yellow. Really pretty. Here's a 3-layer square cake platter for $4.99. And then look at these 3-pack of oval serving bowls. And they have like different shapes to them for $7.99. And they have like 2 colors. So that one is the yellow one. And then you have this pretty teal color. I like those, but I noticed that these are shaped more square, and this one has a different kind of scalloped shape to them. And then right here you have this portable barbecue grill. That's pretty cool for $4.99. And then right here you have this slow feeding bowl pet dish. I am over in the pet section, but look at this booster seat. That is so cute. For only $3.99. Over here you have a garden grotto for $9.99. It's a little cubby for kitties. Super cute. Look at this one. It has a mouse, like the cat is outside. I like that one. Right here you have an inflatable chair for $5.99. It says use indoors and outdoors. This stationery set is so cute. It kind of reminds me of something that you would find at Daiso. And it comes with all of this stuff in there. That's not bad. And they also have one in pink. And then right here for $1.99 you have a Dream Vision Kids 360 virtual reality. That's cool. Look at that. And here is a robot auto floor sweeper for $5.99. I wonder how good that works. Look at these pillows. They are shaped like macaroons. Oh my goodness, they are $3.99. It says macaroon shaped plush cushion, and you guys, these things are super squishy and soft. Oh, I like that. And I see pink, blue, orange. I like that burgundy one. And two different kinds of pink. There's a lighter one and a darker one up there. But these are super cute. Oh, there's another blue one down there too. Two different kinds of blues. Okay. They look different though. Hold on. That one says, so that one looks like that. And then this one says toy, and it's a little bit bigger. So there's two different kinds. And they are $3.99. They have some new weights over here. And these are filled with like sand. I believe that's sand in there. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. So I see 10 pounds, 7 pounds, 5 pounds. Yeah, those are the only three that I see. But they do have a lot of workout stuff. Some resistance bands, massage roller, gliding disc, some ankle weights, and even an abdominal muscle fitness wheel. Oh, here's some more. They have some bigger ones. These are $3.99, and they're called crystal candle holders. They have a few kids activity rugs for $7.99. They have a few different ones. So I like the one that looks like a city. Pooh Bear has one, and he likes to play with his Hot Wheel cars on it. Oh, these are cute. Some little bath sponges. Look at that. A cat unicorn. I don't know if these are supposed to be the feet at the bottom. I'm not too sure. But let's see. Yeah, I only see cats with the unicorn horn. Okay, they have all kinds of different blind bags. I'm not going to go through all of them, or blind toys, because they're not all in bags. They look like this. Some of them look like that. So I see Disney Pixar with Toy Story, Nemo, Squish and Stack, My Little Pony, The Justice League, Monster High, The Littlest Pet Shop. If you are into these type of things, this is the best place to get them. Shopkins, Thomas and Friends, Spider-Man. Look at that, Thor. You got all the Marvel. Little Green Man. Oh, what is this? I might have to get one of these for Pooh Bear. This one is $1.99. It's Little Tykes. So it says Waffle Block Surprise Pack. That's cute. More Thor. And then at the bottom, you got Rocket League and Animal Crossing. Those are backpack buddies. Look at these. Here's some more. I'm over by a register. These are called Cupcake Surprise. Those are super cute. They look like little cupcakes, and they have little dolls inside. Look at this chocolate one. Look at that. These are $2.99. Okay, and then I saw these too. Look at those, Minnie Mouse. And these are squishy, series 1. They're called Mashmallows. And these are $1.99. Okay, you guys, that will be it for today in the 99-cent store. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Okay, bye. That's cute.